your kids entertained this summer with a sweet treat. We have Grace Hoffman from St. Luke's. She is here with a cool recipe to cool the kids off after playing outside all day. First off, welcome in. Great to see you, Grace.
Thank you so much.
Great to have you here on the 9 o'clock show. So these are healthy snacks?
Yes, healthy snacks for kids that they can absolutely help with as well and enjoy. So here we have a watermelon mint popsicle and a peaches and cream popsicle. So to get started, super simple. All you need is a blender and a couple ingredients.
Okay.
So here I'm going to add some fresh watermelon cubes, some fresh garden mint.
Yeah.
We have a tablespoon of maple syrup or honey.
Okay.
Got some lime juice to add a little bit of acidity. And coconut water, which is super hydrating and adds some electrolytes to this popsicle. So on a hot day, replenish those electrolytes.
Right.
Perfect way to do that.
That is a cool blender, too.
Yeah, right?
Oh, my gosh, look at that.
Super easy. Just going to blend it up for a couple seconds. What's nice is that it doesn't have to be perfect. Some texture in there is great.
Yep.
So just going to take that lid off. Now to assemble. Need a popsicle mold of any kind. Just going to pop in some fresh watermelon. Again, add some texture.
Yeah.
Give that layering effect. And then I'm just going to carefully pour my popsicle mixture and then pop the sticks in and let it freeze for about 6 hours or overnight.
Holy cow, that's amazing.
So
How simple
easy.
is that?
So easy. Yeah.
And that would taste, that would taste great, too.
Yes. Super hydrating, super fresh, perfect for a hot day.
How long does it take to freeze them, do you think? Overnight?
I would say overnight just to make sure they're perfectly frozen, but 6 hours is also fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, your next one here is using a different kind of an ingredient.
Yes.
And I'm wondering why you chose yogurt.
I choose Greek yogurt because it's protein packed. So again, perfect for an on-the-go snack to keep you full till, your next meal. So really easy here, our peaches and cream popsicle. We have some fresh cut peaches, perfect to get from the farmer's market.
Yes.
So now I'm just going to, again, layer them. I like the layering effect. Going to add those into the bottom of the mold. Going to add a spoonful of Greek yogurt. This could be plain or vanilla.
What do you have?
This is plain.
That's plain?
Yep.
Okay. And is it full fat or non-fat?
This is full fat.
Okay.
Again, protein packed, good healthy fats in there, again, to keep you full and satiated. And then here is the kind of main ingredient. This is just blended peaches with the yogurt to create a homemade peach yogurt.
Oh, wow.
So, gonna pour that in.
And you use like the same mixer over there?
Yep.
And it looks like you've got that to a pretty fine consistency.
Yes, yeah. Just blend that up and then keep layering. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. So, I'm going to go try one of these.
Yeah, please do.
They look really good.
Yeah, and if you do get plain Greek yogurt and you want to sweeten it up a little bit, you could always just add a touch of maple syrup. That'll sweeten it up and add a good natural sweetener.
I love it.
Good.
I love it.
I'm happy to. Oh, it is dripping.
But that's okay. It's summertime, right?
Yes, right.
Grace, it's great to see you.
Yeah, thank you so much for having me.
Hey, starting back up on their on this program here on August 22nd, tell us about what we're seeing here, St. Luke's Fame program.
Yeah, so this is a cooking and nutrition program. It is virtual and it starts August 22nd. We'll cook together and go through the basics of nutrition and some good practical applications.
I love it. Healthy snacks for the summertime, you guys.